Well, I can't tell you what it's like on the ward, but what I'm saying is like inside triage, it hectic more while with the COVID patient. Meaning we are the one who have to help transport them down, clear the corridor, move the people them from one point to the next point. They may direct the COVID patient down with who are transport both the porter and the nurse and the doctor. So more of it hectic, man. The hectic time in this COVID time was suddenly gone. About 70 patients. Whole a year so dancer keep, man. You tell you dancer keep, dancer. Party thick. One of the sister them, Sister King, rate her, cause when she work, she work. And when you hear sister come and work from 11 and pause at 2, you must know. Listen to me, I must start say, boy, sister, the wickedest time in your life or son, they just say, boy, sick, you don't like, no. Don't stick. When be honest, I've been here, and in my community, I see about 3 persons from my community up here recently. And that make them believe. One come in a ball for belly, so him a ball for belly, him a vomit. See me? One say him can't see him because him peeing up. So, yo, Jamaican people, things have to reach them in order for them believe. And Jamaicans will just follow the guidelines, man. Just follow the guidelines. It's not a matter it not real or it not real. Things have to reach with Jamaican in order for we to believe. It not have to be like that.